G'day guys, Dan here. Just wanted to do something a bit different and share something I've been up to. Before I get started, I wanted to say thank you very much to the people that have subscribed and are coming back and watching my new videos as I'm releasing them. I'm going to forget some people, but in particular, Eddie S, Matthew Priceless, Mick Carter, Phil Damiano, Anthony G, and there's more of you, and if I forget, I'll put you in the comments. But thanks very much, guys. I really appreciate it, and I've got more to show you. So I became intrigued with people converting ex-military trailers into camping trailers, and that eventually led me to look at the Pickles website to see how it all worked and how you'd go about buying a military trailer. I saw that you can buy a whole heap of stuff there, not just vehicles and whatnot, but all kinds of sundries and tools and storage, and anything basically that the military don't need anymore seems to be channeled through Pickles there. And I saw storage boxes, and I watched a couple of auctions go through to see how much these sorts of things were selling for and seeing what kind of things were coming up. Anyway, I felt like getting involved, so I called the guy at the auction and said, how can I get an order from Thurgoona in New South Wales to Metro Melbourne? And he put me onto a freight guy who does trips there and back. So I sort of had it all covered and decided I'd bid in some auctions. So I won four boxes. This bottom one people would recognise as being kind of like a space case style. So it's sort of insulated. It's 1.1 long and 550 deep, 460 high, so it's really massive. I used to have one of these when I was in the army. They give it to you at basic training to put all your gear in when you're there and take it home. So I had to get rid of it when I hung up my boots, but I've always wanted one again, and now I've got one. The one I have is a bit smaller. This box here is a Pelican case. Pelican are manufactured in the US brand, and this case new retails at over $850 Australian dollars. So they're crush proof, waterproof, basically bomb proof. As you can see, this one looks like it's been strapped to a Bushmaster and done 3 tours of Afghanistan. So those two there, you know, they fit in the back of the car, but they're still pretty big, so I'm probably going to use them for storage around the garage and bits and pieces. One day we want to do a big trip and tow a trailer, but I don't have much towing experience, so we're thinking of getting a box trailer and just for camping and bits and pieces, and then if I've got something like that, then just having big boxes like this will be really handy. So kind of thinking ahead, but also just storage for the short term as well. I got this camera case. This actually came with a camera in it. You can see it's got like the audit list of what's meant to be in there. And it looks rugged and beaten on the outside, but basically brand new on the inside. So I'm going to use this for my GoPro and camera gear, and you know, that's a really handy sized box to have pretty much for a lifetime. That's a Pelican case as well. But really what I wanted to show you was this box. So this is the 1660, the big one, and this one is the Pelican 1600. And this is the perfect size, I think, for me to make a camping kitchen. So we've got the big Drifter 200 for family stuff, and I intended to use bags and stuff when going out myself, and that's what I've done. I've just sort of ad hoc put together my kitchen stuff, but I reckon this could be awesome. So let me know if you think, or you would like to see me over a series of short videos convert this into a full-fledged camp kitchen, and then I can use it in my videos and showcase it and take it around with me. So I think that'll look good next to the Drifter milk crate. So I've already started thinking. I've got some cool ideas, but yeah, I just wanted to show you that. If you're a military buff, at the end of the video I'll put some photos of the bits and pieces, and I'd really love your input if you know what they are. This one has got CTK44, and I've done some research and I reckon it means composite toolkit. And this sort of looks like a backwards French flag, which I'm not really sure about. But yeah, I'll keen to hear if there's any military folks out there that can tell me what's what. I don't know if you can tell from my other videos, but I'm a bit of a storage nut when it comes to this stuff. My wife thinks I just hoard it and don't actually store anything in it, so we'll see if we can prove her wrong. But I really enjoyed thinking about camping and storage. It's kind of ironic because I'm not a particularly tidy person. You know, I'm not always methodical. My garage is often a mess, and you know, I struggle to keep clothes hung up in the closet, and basically a man-child. But for some reason or another, I love thinking about this stuff. Anyway, let me know what you think. Are you interested in seeing me build this thing to a camp kitchen from scratch? Hope you're well. Dark times right now. Look forward to making more videos. Leave me a comment. Talk to you soon. Bye.